Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you hide games on Android without any app. Now in a Xiaomi phone like mine, at first you need to just go for all the apps you can see. Now just swipe left 2 times and after that you need to just set a password. I have already set a password. Now just give the password and here you can see in the bottom add apps, click on it. Now just select your game that you want to hide, like these two, and click the top right arrow icon. Now just go back and here you can see these two games are not here, and if you want to get it back again, just go there, give your password and click the top right this icon, click the top arrow icon in the games and again click the top right arrow icon, and by that the two games are back. So guys, that's how you can hide games in Android without any app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.